Hey my harmonies, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I take off my press-on nails and my nail care routine. So make sure you guys like this video, subscribe, and let's get started. These are what my current nails look like. One of them had already popped off, so I was like, you know what, let me just take them off. It's past the 3 weeks and they're ready to come off, so I'm going to be using this tool that you're supposed to be backing up your cuticles with, and everything that I'm mentioning in this video will be linked down below for you guys. I got most of my things on Amazon, but as you can see, I'm just going to be using this tool just to pop them off. If I were you, do not do this method if the nails are like really secured in, because that's gonna cause damage to your cuticle. So only do this if it's past like 3 weeks, because for me this method works perfectly for me. And if you want to know how I make my nails last up to 3 weeks or to a whole entire month, I'll leave that video down below for you guys, because these literally last me for the longest. I highly recommend you guys watching that video after this video, because every little step that I'm showing you guys in that video truly helps to make the nails last a really long time. Now I'm going in with this buffer that I got from the beauty supply store or Sally's, and I'm just going to be lightly buffing my nails with the soft side just to take off the excess glue that's on the nails. I'm not trying to make them super smooth or anything, I just really want the glue off. But as you can see, my natural nails are looking fine, nothing broke or anything like that on my nails. So the little techniques that I do truly help. Then I'm going to be going in with this cuticle remover that I had got from the Dollar Tree, and if I can't find a link for it, I'll just leave one that I seen from Amazon down below for you guys. And this is just gonna help me remove my cuticles and just to push them back easier with the cuticle pusher, and also to moisturize them. I don't know if it's just me but my cuticles grow super fast. Like within a week and a half, like they're already like pretty much grown out, and it's like, what in the world? But does anyone else have this problem, like with overgrown cuticles or just them growing so fast? It's like, oh my gosh, like you have to constantly keep up with them and constantly moisturize them all the time, or else your cuticles will look really crusty. Then I'm going in with this cuticle trimmer from Amazon, and I'm just going to be trimming the dead skin off my cuticles. And to me, this part is very satisfying. I don't know what it is, but every time I do it, it's just like satisfaction to me. Once you're done doing this step, make sure you wash your hands afterwards. Then I'm going in with a nail filer just to clean up the shape of my nails, because they naturally grow like that, so I just want to keep them at their natural shape. I don't want to file them down too much, because I do want to keep the natural length that they are right now, and I may grow them out a little bit more. Next, I go in with this keratin nail growth polish, and I absolutely love this stuff. I've been using this for the past maybe year or two, and this has definitely helped make my nails even more stronger, especially right after I take off my press-on nails. And I apply this about, I don't apply it that often, honestly. It's pretty strong, and I just apply it maybe once or twice a week. All you have to apply is 2 coats, and then you're done for the day, literally. Then you can apply your favorite nail polish, and that's it. You don't have to just only have this on. Then I'm going in with my all-time favorite base coat and top coat. I've been using this since I kid you not, like 4 maybe, whenever I started doing my own nails, like with polishing and everything. And I want to give credit to my mother for introducing me to this amazing product. Like, it works so good, and I highly recommend you guys getting this. Like, it truly makes your nails so shiny, and you don't even have to buy a separate top coat and base coat. It's a 2-in-1 product, and it's only under $8, so it's super affordable. I only have to apply 1 coat of this, and I'll be good for like the rest of the week, or even maybe 2 weeks. Next, I'm going in with some cuticle oil. This is definitely a must-have for me, and this helps so much with my cuticles, just to make sure that they're moisturized and healthy. It has vitamin E in it. Some other oils that's like really good for the skin. I had got this at the Dollar Tree as well, but if you don't have one near you, I'll just link some that I seen from Amazon. Adding cuticle oil is not even just good for moisturizing, it definitely makes your hands look really youthful, I notice. Not even just youthful, because nobody wants to walk around with some dirty fingernails. Like, no, we're gonna be looking very clean and be very clean over here. I'm going in with some lotion just to top off everything, to make sure my hands is really moisturized and nice. You can use any lotion you want, but Dove is really good. I love how Dove feels on my hands. I feel like it's the perfect hand moisturizer. After doing these steps, your nails are going to look so healthy and moisturized, and your hands. And if you do these steps, let me know in the comments and tag me on Instagram. I would love to see them, and I would repost it on my story. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos from me that's beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, if you guys are interested. And I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.